Welcome to EZZ English. Today, we'll learn about common English mistakes that many people make when speaking. Even native speakers make these mistakes sometimes. Listen carefully, and I'll help you speak more correctly. Let's learn together. Let me start with a very common mistake. Many people say, "I'm boring," when they mean, "I'm bored." This is important to understand. When I say I'm boring, it means I am not an interesting person. But when I say I'm bored, it means I have nothing to do. Repeat after me. I'm bored. Good. Now let's practice. If you're sitting at home with nothing to do, you say, I'm bored. Perfect. Another mistake I hear every day is with the word since. People often say, I am living here since 5 years, but this is wrong. We should say, I have been living here for 5 years. Let's practice together. I have been living here for 5 years. Notice we use for with a period of time, and we use have been to show it continues until now. Say it again. I have been living here for 5 years. Excellent. Now let's talk about your and your. These words sound the same, but they are different. Your shows possession, your book, your house, your friend. But your means you are. For example, you're learning English means you are learning English. Let's practice. This is your pen. Now say, you're doing great. See the difference? Your pen belongs to you. Your means you are. Simple. Here's a mistake I used to make myself. People say, I'm agree with you, but we should say, I agree with you. We don't need am here. Just say, I agree with you. Repeat after me. I agree with you. That's right. The same happens with I'm understand. We should say, I understand. Practice with me. I understand. Very good. Let's learn about he and she. Sometimes people mix these up, especially when speaking quickly. Remember, he is for boys and men. She is for girls and women. My brother, he is tall. My sister, she is smart. Let's practice. He is my father. Now say, she is my mother. Take your time. Speaking slowly helps you avoid this mistake. Another common error is saying, I have 25 years old. This is incorrect. In English, we say, I am 25 years old. We use the verb to be for age, not have. Repeat after me. I am 25 years old. You can also simply say, I'm 25. Let's practice again. I am 25 years old. Perfect. Many speakers forget to use do and does in questions. They say, you want coffee? But it should be, do you want coffee? Let's practice making questions. Do you like pizza? Say it with me. Do you like pizza? Now try, does she speak English? Remember, we use does with he, she, and it. Does he work here? Good job. Here's something interesting about the word people. People is already plural, so we never say peoples. We say many people, not many peoples. For example, many people speak English. Repeat, many people speak English. If you want to talk about different groups of people, you can say different groups of people. Let's say it together. Many people are learning English. Wonderful. Let me tell you about say and tell. This confuses many learners. We say something, but we tell someone. For example, I said hello, or I told him the news. Notice the difference? With tell, we need to mention the person. Practice with me. She said yes. Now, she told me yes. Both are correct, but notice how we use them differently. The words fun and funny are also confusing. Fun means enjoyable. The party was fun. But funny means it makes you laugh. The joke was funny. Let's practice. Swimming is fun. Now say, the movie was funny. Remember, fun activities make you happy, funny things make you laugh. Double negatives are another problem. In English, we don't say, I don't have nothing. We either say, I don't have anything, or I have nothing. Both are correct. Repeat after me. I don't have anything. Now try, I have nothing. Good. Remember, one negative is enough in English. Let's talk about lose and loose. Lose is a verb. Don't lose your keys. But loose is an adjective, meaning not tight, like my shoes are loose. Practice with me. I don't want to lose. Now, the shirt is too loose. Hear the small difference in pronunciation? Lose has a Z sound. Loose has an S sound. Finally, remember that in English, adjectives don't change for plural nouns. We say two red cars, not two reds cars. The adjective red stays the same. Let's practice. 3 big houses. Say it again. 3 big houses, not bigs houses. The adjective never changes. 5 beautiful flowers. Perfect. Excellent work today. You've learned about many common English mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, everyone makes mistakes when learning. That's how we improve. Keep practicing these corrections every day, and soon they'll become natural. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and come back tomorrow for more English lessons. Keep learning, and see you next time.